California's taxes weighing you down, thinking of leaving the state to escape the high income taxes? It's not as simple as packing your bags. If you don't cut your tax ties the right way, California could still come after your income, even after you move. Step 1 is establishing residency in another state. Get a new driver's license, register to vote, and make sure your mail, bank accounts, and bills are tied to your new address. The more proof you have, the better. But it doesn't stop there. You need to formally notify California that you're leaving by filing a final tax return. Mark it clearly as your last return as a resident, and file any necessary paperwork, like Form 540NR for part-year residents. Even if you've left, California can still tax you if you keep ties, like owning property, keeping a California driver's license, or visiting too often. It's crucial to sever these connections completely. Need help navigating California's aggressive tax laws? The law offices of James Burns specialize in helping individuals like you legally expatriate and cut tax ties with California for good. Contact the law office of James Burns at 949-305-8642 or visit www.jamesburnslaw.com to start your tax-free future.